Today, we're going to be using a simple Python script to make your Roblox or video games much less laggy. So this is just a quick example of it. I'm going to select, let's say, normal PC. I was going to close the background, apps, clean other stuff. And now you can have smoother games. I just said it's a Roblox optimizer, but you can use it for any game. Now how you actually use it is you're going to want to copy the script from the GitHub link that I had in the description and then paste it into Notepad. Now, all you have to do is click File, click Save As, and you can say anything, but make sure it's saved as all documents and not just TXT files. I'm going to call it nolag.py. Now if I go into Windows PowerShell, I can say dir, and then if it is in here, then that means that I can run it and Python will be able to find it. If it's not in there, then that means Python cannot find it and it's not in the right folder. Then type Python and then the name of your script minus nolag.py. I'm gonna say normal again. Alright. It doesn't matter, you can choose any of these PCs that matches your PC best. Okay, now this is Roblox before actually using it. I'm just using a lag test game at 60 FPS right now, and I'm gonna see how many parts it can take before my PC kind of crashes. So 5,000, it can handle 5,000. It can handle 10,000, but not that well. 15,000, it does not like 15,000. Okay, I'm reading up the Python script right now. Say normal PC, now it's optimizing my computer.
2 minutes later.
Oh my god, okay, it's already at 240 FPS. It can easily handle 5,000. Easily handle 10,000. Let's see if it can easily handle 15,000, which is pretty much where the last time it crashed. But, okay, it's still at 10 FPS. It's not awful, but it's quite good.
Nice.
Let's try another 10,000, another 5,000. Okay, I'm just gonna spam it. Normally my game would actually crash, but I'm pretty sure because it optimized my computer, it works. I wouldn't say completely fine, but a lot better than normal. So I'll have the link to this in my description. And if this script helped you, or this video helped you at all, please consider subscribing, liking, or even just sharing this video with your friends. It means a lot to me. Thank you. Bye.